How to set different default apps for different file extensions on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to assign apps directly from any file using right-click. First, open File Explorer. Find a file with the extension you want to set, like a .jpeg or .mp4. After that, right-click the file. From there, click Open With. At this point, click Choose Another App. In the next step, select your preferred app from the list. Following this, if you don't see the app you want, click More Apps to expand the list. Once done, check the box for Always use this app to open .files with this extension. Keep in mind, checking this box makes the change permanent for that file type, so leave it unchecked if you only want to open it once with that app. Finally, click OK to confirm, then repeat these steps for each different file extension you want to assign. And that's it. If this guide helped you set different default apps for different file extensions, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.